Fetch AI is one of the few AI coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And on today's video, I will be giving you the reasons as to why I believe that we are going to see more than a 10x in this bull market, and also discuss my short-term price prediction analysis, giving you key areas of support that you need to continue holding above, and also give you a possible bounce back that is coming in the next coming hours. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, and you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need for registration is an email address and a phone number. Starting the video here on the daily chart, I want to start by giving you my long-term price prediction analysis, where I believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive movement to the upside in a move that peaked above the $3.479, completing the formation of these larger ETH wave count 1. And after we peaked in the formation of that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger ETH wave count 2. With minimum target areas I have marked here on the charts using these blue target area, an area that you can all see that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we are going to finally see an aggressive bounce to the upside in an ETH wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then finally peak to the upside in an ETH wave count 5. And the minimum target areas for that ETH wave count 3 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, where you can see that the minimum target area for the third wave lies above the $6, and that is above the fib level 1.618, and based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that will be a perfect 5x to the upside. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then the wave 5 taking us to new all-time highs, possibly giving us more than a 10x to the upside. And for that case scenario to play out, we also need to continue holding above a very significant area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.88, and that lies above the $0.595. So in case of any sudden pullbacks, as long as we are holding above the $0.59, there are high chances that we are going to finally peak to the upside in a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to all-time highs. So that is all I'm expecting on the long term. Jumping to the 4-hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis, I believe that from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, we started a very impulsive movement to the upside in a move that peaked above the $1.65, completing the formation of these ETH wave count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of an ETH wave count 2 with minimum target areas I have marked on the chart using these red target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is above the 1.371 and the 1.211, which is an area that we have not fully maximized. And there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see a bounce to the upside, manage to break above resistance above the $1.48, flipping it back into support in an aggressive bounce to the upside in an ETH wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $2.112. Then we can expect a pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an ETH wave count 5. And once we have these 5 wave structure complete to the upside, that will be completing an even larger Elliot wave count 3 that is better seen on this chart over here, where you can see that I have been tracking this impulsive movement to the upside from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can all see that we first picked in this 5 wave structure in a move that gave us a high above the $1.749, completing an even larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective pullback to the lower side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and we saw a reaction of this area in what I now term as the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $2.769. So those are the two possible scenarios that I'm expecting to play out on the fetch.ai chart on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.